Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing China grass pudding recipe. In a saucepan, add 8 grams of China grass and soak it with half cup of water. Let it soak for few minutes. In another saucepan, add 2 and 1/4 cups of milk. Add 3 and half tablespoons of sugar or add more as per your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Stir it. Place the saucepan on medium flame and stir continuously till the milk boils. Once the milk boils, switch off the flame and keep aside. Let the milk cool. Dissolve the China grass in water on medium flame by stirring continuously. Once it dissolves, let it cool slightly. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to the cooled milk. Stir it. Add 2 drops of pink food color and stir. Place the saucepan on low flame. Add the dissolved China grass and stir till it thickens. This should be the consistency. Switch off the flame. Pour it into a mold and let it cool. Then refrigerate it for 1 hour. Unmold it. The pudding is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.